Hi friends, this is activity 2 for math. Your learning goal is to sort tens and ones, place value. With this activity, you're going to read the sentence, Chris has 58 batteries. He wants to know how many tens and how many ones are in 58. So what you're going to do is you're going to break apart 58. You have the ones columns, you have the tens columns, and you're going to see the number that's in the ones column, which represents how many ones are there. So if you have 8, you draw 8 circles. They're asking how many tens are in the tens column. You look at the 5. Well, you have 5 groups of 10, and you can draw 5 groups of 10. Then you answer the questions. How many tens do you have? And you write the number down. And how many ones you have? You write that number down. Then you're done.